the Tawanya isiko yellow head ketura bakala. Kasesune, a mala a plemo pugaletia. Agan winsi, no agan winsi, kia. No, one him. 72 then I know. Let them put on a pathinya and winsi kia. Timmy, one mala pleboni, levesu, isela, doquanyara who. Lenusu, Pagatamala, Israel Thulu Aloma, okay, and the lost sheet, they had to go only just to lost sheet, okay. Let us put our pain. Do you then one disciple come back telling to Jesus? Jesus talk about everything. Jesus says, only you so happy your name written in the light above, okay, the light above. This means there's a better thing you should believe in. Yeah. Then who are up across Sukumo Labatamupuno? La Paini Katura Bakala. Jesus talk about here. No? We know this. So many disciples desert Jesus. So many disciples desert Jesus. How many people? 72. But only just 12 people left. Why do you think about this? Okay, you have a lot of disciples, but only just 12 people left. It's a not good thing, right? But Jesus doesn't matter. Whatever you list, because you coming to, like you coming to watch me, or you wanna to eat food, only you wanted to lazy and lay down to with Jesus, right? With Jesus. But remember the thing is when we follow Jesus is not good thing for we should not be lazy. Okay. I want to talk about here many disabled Jesus. No? Yero de dakduda cafe no. Bagdera patapon aga la hadakwi. Bagdera hadakwi yesu no. Hadakwi yesu name. When hearing as it, many of disciples said, no, but there my pair, no, pair within Nahuta Hilo, Bakala Cassu, Tevrala, no, Tilba Tukusa Kula, the Tamopula, Butermano, Pagaterma, Tukuta, the Mukali Olo to a Quapala, Ma, Blapa Supasa, no Haratana, okay, carry out the demon, and then healing sick and raising people dead. This is your job is good, but you should think about your name should be in the Heavenly Father to the heaven. Okay, this in the book the lies of both. Okay, is your name in there? You should be happy, but they very sad about this speaking. No, they very sad because they doing so many things. The great thing, Jesus come to the other city and making disciple, okay, healing sick and making rising for the dead, okay. You know what? Jesus giving power to them and under control devil, okay, under control devil. This means they so happiness, but they don't happy, and they many disciple deserve Jesus. Why? Think about it. Jesus talk about that. You should know about that. Only good, only good food you should eat it in the gospel. The gospel is very good food and then for your internal life. Okay, I want to read in here a little bit. This is a hard teaching. Okay, because this is a hard teaching. Who can accept it? Okay, Mataragala our manitaragale. Now who can accept it? Aware thus this disciple were grumbling about this. Now only pa tamaputhil pana sukumora robera mawara tapitamathil pana. Jesus said to them, now kasai su deva awithin. Jesus said to them, does they offend you? No, when it tatil pine, bagitermala tamavatulo. What if you see the Son of Man ascend to where he was before? No, when it made Allah, no, tatil pine mutimile, do bagitermala, kasai su, no, bagitermala, paganyo pokwa e taba, picture ma taba ma or la declare aware ascent no declare ascent by no pain it develop spirits the spirits give life when I made a tasso she hello tamu the spirits give life no that hello tamu the flesh count for nothing the flesh sit down and made a tanyani the meat tanor ba no pagina dwaro tido dwaro thin on me tanyani count for nothing. The words I have spoken to you are spirits and they are life. When I talk to you get to that thing away made a spirits, spirits and life. We tell mala third miller but hit that moon, third miller thitamu. Let us go up across. Yes, there are some of you who do not believe. Some of you who not believe me. Okay. The follow Jesus, but they don't believe Jesus, right? A lot of people follow you. So maybe you are the preacher, but they don't believe you. Anyway, I told you the truth. This is Jesus talk about this truth. Okay, the truth. You are the son of you who do not believe. No, because son of you who not believe. Okay, for Jesus have known, from the beginning, which of them did not believe and who was betray him. No, we don't matter no aware. No, people follows Jesus. No, but they don't know they don't know. Okay, something stranger. Maybe they follow something they wanted only but Jesus talk about this. Okay, Jesus know already who want to betray him, who want to leave him, who want to go away him. Okay, there's so many things about this. Okay, he went on to stay. He went on to stay. This is why I told you why no one can come to me unless the Father has enabled him. No one can come to me. No one can come to me unless the Father has enabled him. Sit down and work at mala. What the head thing not gonna you over. No, me le pa me di hila ya no. No. This is a nothing happened, brother. This is a nothing happened. This is I'm reading about the Bible because the Bible talk about there's so many disciple that desires Jesus. This is a happening and before 2025 years ago it's a happen that's mean okay only just I talk about today nobody maybe somebody knows somebody doesn't know or somebody believe because they read the Bible somebody doesn't believe because they don't read Bible they don't know it's the happen with Jesus and the disciple okay they believe they don't believe this is happening come out okay here Jesus talk about the Jesus know from the beginning which of them did not believe and who would betray him okay he went on to say this is why I told you why no one come to me unless the Father has enabled him okay this is mean only just Jesus is the God the Father given to people to the Jesus only just Jesus can take it these people Jesus have the disciples 72 people but they left all the only 12 people left okay here now disciple turn back and no longer follow him see disciple turn back no longer follow him because Jesus talking about this you do not want to live too Jesus talk about you do not want to live too is mean the 12 disciple one people one Jesus going around to the preaching the teaching the healing everything they follow they see they saw everything okay this oh this good for me because you know what you are the evil thing that I am evil thing too because sometimes I'm angry, okay, I hatred, I don't want to see people. Sometimes I don't want to talk with people. Maybe when I talk people hate me, and the people don't want to see me. People say about bad to me. This is me. You know what? Once you read the Bible, you will get the good heart. You will get the good opportunity to remind you something. One day you talking with the people. This is a good thing. You know what? This is a better thing. You should read the Bible every day. Okay, I know about this. Jesus doing the hard job. Yeah, he come from God. Why he has power? Why he don't do such a thing about the killing people? Okay, Jesus said, I'm not coming to kill people. Okay, I am coming to save people. That's mean that touch my heart and the reading Bible every day. Okay, here's the next. Do you want to live too? Do you? Jesus asked the 12 disciple and talk about the Simon Peter answered him, Lord, to whom shall we go? No, we are not shall we go? Okay, who? You know what that you have to choose it by yourself. You want to go where is your God? You want to choose by yourself. You are the gods or other people gods, or maybe you can help people, or you can help by yourself after your death. Okay, after your death is a very strange thing, and the very you don't know about something and the after your death. Okay, this mean in the very thoughtful for you. And I think for me, it's very thoughtful for me. See, here you have the words of eternal life. Peter talk about that you have the word of eternal life. Okay, this means it's a great thing to do. Okay, this very good about the Peter talking to Jesus. Jesus said, "Why you don't live? You don't live to me too." This means it the toss to the Peter life. We believe and know that you are the Holy One of God. We believe, okay, we believe and know that you are the Holy One of God. Okay, when it pano patinya panapa panala nehesu kasajwa o no when it that Jesus reply, when running kasaisu but market to reply, see have I not choose you? No, have I not choose you? No, Yehuta to me by the 12th, no, Barsikia, no, Yehuta to me by yes, one of you is a devil, no. Pwa penathic clan pa organ me pola buitermala a me pwa solo, no. He mean Judas, no, he mean Judas. You know the Judas that betrayed Jesus and the handle Jesus to the pillars and other people. Okay, the son of Simon Iscariot, who thought one of the 12 was later to betray him. Okay, you know what? The 12 disciple, one of the 12 disciple was betraying Jesus. Mean Jesus said, "You are not okay. You are not believe me or okay. You are not believe me or." Here the read about. I want to read past like a beginning there. For Jesus had known from the beginning with up, then did not believe, and who would betray me? No, who not believed Jesus, who will betray Jesus? Jesus know exactly about this way. Okay, once you live in the world, you know exactly about that. Jesus is the good man for you. You can betray. Are you sure about this? No way. Okay, Jesus is good man. Okay, Jesus is hidden. Jesus is teaching good thing. Jesus says, love your neighbor. Jesus said, love your enemy. Okay, Jesus said, who doesn't love mother, father, sister, brother, okay, neighbor? When they said they love me, this is their lie. They lie, okay? We think about that we love Jesus, we don't love any other thing and the neighbor in our friend. This means we lie. Okay, we lie. I want to talk about today is the only just main thing is the many disciples just Jesus. Okay, this mean main point. Main point. Let us go to the say su katura la bakala no. Po aga hadda quick say su no. Tama po aga hadra ka say su okay clone me tagi tamile tagi kai takiro tanilo. Mo ka say su gitu do mo ka say later tinirki. God bless you. God take care of you. God peak with you. You will be happy without your family, okay, without God, without your friends, everything. Thank you so much to thank you so much to Dave, okay. You're watching for me and you will be get something from me. If you don't get something from me, you think about that this is not good for you, that's okay. Keep in and teaching and then doing your job, whatever you do, you love it, do it. You don't love, don't do it, okay. But think about it, the world after you die, there's a very strange thing coming up. Thank you so much, brother and sister. Nói mọi sự từ cái mò cái sai cái lẽ ra là từ nửa cái chậm nữa nó.